Is going on, everybody? We are back at Road Atlanta for the World Racing League endurance event. Today we got 8 hours of on-track action. I just got here, it's about 8 o'clock, but they're gonna be starting real soon. Grid up right now. God, why am I so dark? Okay. Overcast conditions. It's sprinkling right now, but it says it's not supposed to rain the rest of the day, so that's good. We're gonna go ahead and get everything ready. They're warming up the cars. They're about to get gridded up. 9 o'clock start time. So drop Lando off. Got here with enough time to prep and do whatever. So hope you guys enjoy it. And if you guys didn't see, check out last week's video. I don't know where it's gonna, I'm probably gonna put it over here or over here. One of these places. Check out last week's video where I was doing SCCA. And it's gonna be a good time. So let's get it. Get started, we're gonna do a paddock walk, paddock roll. This is one of my favorite parts of the race, is just before it starts. The anticipation. You see all the cars lining up on the grid. You see the team members doing their final checkups, people moving tires and wheel guns, and everybody getting into position as this guy almost hits that dude. But I love the anticipation of it. There's an energy that I wish I could capture. Cars are all gridded up. I didn't record. It's behind me, isn't it? There we go. Like he lost power or something.
No, that's not.
Staying here for a second, bask in the ambiance. Such a good sound. This is one of my favorite spots at Road Atlanta, but you can only do this in some of these smaller series because the series like IMSA for the big race, Petit Le Mans, will not let you stand idle on staircases. It's because there's just so many people, they will not let you stand still. So you can really only get these types of shots at the lower series. You can definitely tell that there's a difference. Like that Supra just smoked that Scion FRS. That is multi-class racing. We're probably about maybe 30 minutes in, and the first group that started has already caught and begun to lap the second group that started. So it just shows you how much the difference in power there is between these two different groups. We're going to try and get Thunder Bunny one more time coming across the line. If we like the shot, we'll move. 3, 2, 1.
Somebody help me, I can't get my kickstand down. My shoes are too slippery. There we go. Never mind.
Gosh darn breakfast of champions right here. Honestly, I'm kind of impressed. We're an hour in now. We have not had a yellow flag. It's been good racing.
Astro Hustle on the YouTube chat. Driver
Yeah, this car's in a pretty bad spot. Get a good look at this car. Yeah, this one. This is the last time you will see this car in good condition because the very next lap, this happened. So the car had a left rear suspension failure, and it took them about 30 or so minutes to clean this up, and the driver was okay. Hit a pretty insane milestone on my Road Atlanta traversal device. 69 miles on that thing is kind of crazy considering when I got it. And today has whipped my ass. And we still got like 2 hours left. Had not been vlogging as much as I kind of wanted to. Kind of hit my flow state real quick. That was broke my fucking monopod. It's busted. Broken. Decimated. It's not gonna hurt the camera, but the screw is still in. And it's... dude. We just breaking shit today, I guess. It's not a super important piece. I mean, it's just a tire guard, but at the same time, I am super happy that this did not fall off while I was riding. That could have been dangerous. Holy Jesus. So we have our plan. There's about maybe 20 minutes left. Settings are good. Lens is good. I thought that was the leader. That's the leader's teammate. That's the leader. Not the most insane photo I've ever taken, but it was still pretty cool to get him as he crossed the line for the win. So I'll take it. Love getting these shots of celebration. They're some of my favorite, just the emotion of it. However, it was short-lived. It was found on video that these guys passed a car while under yellow, which is a big no-no. So that moved them from first to second, which promoted these guys to P1. And they ended up winning the whole 8-hour enduro. So they won the whole thing. So good job, DD Autosports. And it sucks that they took the win away from 89X Motorsports, but it was still, I mean, you can't pass under yellow, so it is what it is. Holy Jesus, what a day! What a day! That was so much fun, though. That was so much fun. Day 2, we got a little bit of racing. I didn't get to do much, but Road Atlanta does a 2-hour quiet time from 10 to 12. This is just my buddy on the left. Having a dude apologize to him because this happened.
Combination. Great, very easy for us to pull it in. It's minimal delay. Almost, I think less than, our trackside cameras. Oh, there's contact there, and it spun the 220.
So good to see that everyone was able to shake hands and do whatever. And then just as they were about to start racing, it started downpouring, and then that storm stayed forever. Tons of lightning. Every time it would lightning, they would do a lightning delay for 20 or 30 minutes just to wait for it to happen. And then as soon as we get back into it, they would, another thing of lightning would happen. So not much racing got to happen on Sunday. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and can't wait to bring you guys on the next journey. I got some fun events coming up, so stay tuned. Be sure to hit that like button. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you're new here, and just enjoy the day and have a good one. Later.